Hello students, welcome to the Old Time Biometry Show. Today I want to show you how to use the non-parametric module in SPSS. These are tests that we'll be doing in lieu of single classification ANOVA and t-tests. So let's get started. We have Jackie's problem where she has HW genotypes and then these CA genotypes, which or some kind of knockout thing. And then she measured chlorophyll A content after these various cultures of algae were grown. We could do a two-sample t-test on this, but let's say that we decided that we were not comfortable with a two-sample t-test because the normally distributed variables didn't seem right. They didn't seem normally distributed after we looked at them. And so we decided we're going to go for a Mann-Whitney U test, which is the non-parametric equivalent of a two-sample t-test. So you go to Analyze, and then down here to non-parametric tests and independent samples. So they're not paired, they're independent samples. And then it says proper measurement level is important for this procedure. Measurement level is unknown, blah, blah, blah. And so you kind of can't do it. But what you have to do is you have to make a new variable that's not HW and CA, but is instead 1 and 2. And the way you do that is you go to Transform here, and then Automatic Recode. You go to Automatic Recode. We want to take genotype and recode it as genotype num for number, like that. You click on that, and it will have made a new variable. Decided to go 1 and 2. 1 for the mutants, for the knockout ones, and 2 for the HWs. Okay, so then now we can go back here and we could go down to non-parametric, independent samples. You can also go to this legacy dialogues thing, which is kind of cool. So let's do that, and it's 2 independent samples. We have 2 samples, HW and CA. So we'll click on that, then put in genonum for the grouping variable, and chlorophyll A is the dependent variable, which they call test variable. Then you have to define that 1 and 2 business. So you go down here, define groups, and group 1 we'll call, maybe group 1 is 1 and group 2 is 2. That. Then you click OK, and it cranks it out. And here you can see the Mann-Whitney U statistic, and then it gives you a significance value, and the significance value is 0.075. So that's for the two-tailed test. Good night and good luck.